Hey Norman, hey, here I am on video. Listen, I want to tell you, I want to thank you first of all for the great weekend we had up there, and the smoking idea with the meat. I mean, I really enjoyed that. And Debbie, same to you. Thank you for everything. I really want to thank you. But I want to say, and this video is more for Norman. I want to say, you inspired me with the whole smoking thing. And as you know, I don't have a charcoal grill. I've got a gas grill, and I've been looking at a way to do this on gas, doing a little bit of studying and stuff, and I want to share with you what I found out. So that let me get this turned around. So this is my gas grill. Okay, that's my neighbor's dog. But so what I found is I'm going to lift up this grate, and you see these two little boxes. I found these on Amazon. They're called smoker boxes. And basically, you put the chips inside those, and then the smoke comes out the holes. And so what my thought is on these is I'm going to turn this one up on high, so it's cooking just the chips. And then this one I'm not even going to turn on, and that way the meat's over here on top of the grill, and it's just going to really slow cook is my thinking. Now, this first box, this one, what I did is I just have dry wood chips in it, and the idea is because there's no holes in the bottom, they're only on the top, is that they can't catch fire. And combustion happens at 600 degrees, and the meat's going to cook at about 250, so it shouldn't catch fire. Supposedly, based on what I've studied. So, but there's no holes in the bottom, just the top. However, this thing can burn up after about 35 to 45 minutes. So then they say, at that point you can add more chips or add a second box, which you see I've got. Well, what I did, because I don't want to, be lifting this grill up in the middle of it all. This is just an experiment. But I've got this one, and this one, you'll notice everything is in water. Now, obviously, I'm not going to cook it in that water. I'm going to drain it. But I got wet chips and I got dry chips. So my thinking is that these are going to start smoking pretty quick. I think as soon as I turn the burner on, maybe in, 10 minutes or so. These, depending on how wet, I'm thinking it may take these 30 minutes or so to start smoking. I might even leave a little bit of water in there just in case. I'm not sure. And that's the idea, is that I will get like maybe, hour and a half of smoke. And if I cook only on this side and leave this burner off, then just the heat and the smoke from this side would cook it. I'm thinking it might work. So I want to share it with you. I'm excited to try it out. I'll show you real quick. Let me get back inside. I went to Walmart, and you'd think like that they must have just announced the flu epidemic, because I struggled to find meat. So I did kind of what you did, and I got just a few different things just to try it all out. So I'll show you here what I did. I just washed my hands, but I've got so these here are just some chicken drumsticks. You'll see right here, right? Maybe 5 of them or so. Yeah, and then I got 5 brats, and then I got a couple of ribeyes. And so these were $12. This was $3. That's 13. I don't remember what this is, but the whole thing was under $20. So I'm excited about that, and I just want to share it with you. So I'll let you know how it goes. Have a good day. Bye-bye.